Do you have some projects that need done around the house? Like some that are way up high, like painting or bug spraying or something like that? Ha, I've got something for you. But I'm not gonna do it. Oh, hubby is, let me tell you. Take it away.
So this was gifted to us. This is a sprayer that goes on a pole, and it has different functions and different ways that you can use. You can adjust this to be able to go down to longer cans or shorter cans.
Does it come with the pole?
No, you have to have your own pole.
Oh, okay. Is it any can?
Any can within a certain size that will fit.
It could be bigger.
It can be bigger,
Oh.
it can be smaller.
Okay.
So, and it's got these 3 bungee cords, or these 3 Velcro straps that you can see that go on here that hold it straight to it. It is made out of high density plastic, so it's not gonna break too easy.
Pretty strong.
It comes with 4 bungee cords, so you can see the 3 hold the can on, and then you get 1 that's gonna be able to hold your string on. So when you're using this,
Which I do not understand how this is going to work.
so you can just take the string and let it go
Pointing
down.
it at me.
And then whatever angle that you would like to hit, like I want to be about right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to spray a little bit on this eave that's showing a little age.
I'll follow you.
So you're just going to pull the string. And like that, you can get into places where you can't either reach or where you're trying to stay away from pesky rose bushes. You can also stay away from the VOCs or the smells of anything. You can spray higher. You can put an adjustable pole on it. As you can see, the string is really, really long, so you can put a longer pole on it if you need it. So if you've got jobs that you would like to get done and stay on the ground to do, this is what we would recommend.